In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search button in Framer. We'll start inside an existing Framer project and walk through placing a search button, setting its layout and size, polishing the interactions, turning it into a reusable component, and getting it ready to publish. Open your Framer project and bring up the Insert panel. You can access Insert from the toolbar. This is where all pre-built elements live. In the Insert panel, head to the Interactive section. From here, choose the search button pattern or search field element and add it to your canvas. Placing it from interactive gives you sensible defaults for focus states and accessibility. With the element selected, switch its position to absolute so you can place it precisely in your header or navigation. After you've positioned it, switch back to relative so it flows with the layout and remains responsive. Absolute is great for fine-tuning, while relative is what you'll want for most production layouts. Now, adjust its size in the right sidebar. Set a comfortable height for tapping, keep padding even, and make sure the icon and placeholder text feel balanced. If you're designing a fixed size header, use fixed width. Otherwise, allow the width to grow so longer queries still look good. Open the Overlays controls to refine how the search looks when focused or active. A subtle background tint or shadow can help the element stand out without overpowering your design. Keep it light so it doesn't fight your primary call to action. Update the cursor to pointer on hover. This small cue reassures users that the button or field is interactive. Pair it with a gentle hover state for a polished feel. Turn the search element into a component so you can reuse it across pages. Click Component, then Add, and create a default variant. Components keep styles and behaviors consistent, and variants let you manage states like default, hover, and focused in one place. For precise placement inside the component, open Position, switch to Custom, and nudge it exactly where you want. Once it's aligned, set it back to default so instances inherit layout properly across breakpoints. Refine the appearance by setting the text or icon color to Hex 3333, a reliable dark gray that maintains contrast while feeling less